SB19 Showbreak is back. Fans can watch Showbreak 6 every 19th of the month on SB19's YouTube channel. Meanwhile, here are some clips of fun moments from SB19 previous Showbreak episodes.
Oh my god, I lost my wallet. The photo cards were there. Oh my god. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's my wallet. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Lola.
Torta?
Lola.
Kikiam.
Hirap. Rap. Rap.
Get in the zone, break how we are SB19, and welcome to another episode of Showbreak Season 3! Today we're going to play Random Play Games.
Pasahan tayo tuloy-tuloy. Tapos kung kanino mag-vibrate, siya yung kukuha ng coffee.
Ba't ako nasali?
Ito talaga. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Sabi mo kasi may time eh. Akala ko 7 minutes pa.
Pasalubong ng kamag-anak na OFW. 3, 2, 1, go!
Chocolate!
Nasa isip ko! Nasa isip ko!
Members ng Teletubbies. 3, 2, 1, go!
Red!
Si Tinky Winky. Si Po.
Si Puyo, si Po.
Doon kayo pinakatik sa atin!
Let's play
Blind Taste Test!
Paborito ng lahat. May kape.
Oh, mas nice.
Madali.
Coffee Kurambo.
Ay.
Super chocolate.
Oh, sabi sa'yo eh!
Oy, meron siyang ano eh. Pero wala akong nakaing ano.
Wrong ka nga, huwag ka na magpaliwanag.
Ay, grabe. Ano? Grabe naman yun. Give love ako Christmas Day.
Ilan kaya ang marites sa buong mundo, no?
Pretty common yung marites sa Pilipinas.
Apat yun eh. Sa isang buwan niya, apat agad yun eh.
Lunes Marites. Ay.
I just want to tell you how much your music has changed my life. Every day is a battle within me, whether to keep on living or just give up. But your music reminds me that I am not alone. Thank you for you have inspired me to be better than yesterday for my kids. Oh,
For my kids, sabi niya?
I have given up already if I have not met you guys last year. Please tell your family I love seeing how close you are, guys.
Ano to nakatingin?
Hindi ako nakakita.
Okay, appreciate muna natin ng 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, go.
Galing.
Oh, grabe.
Very nice, very nice.
Kulang pa eh.
Kulang pa ba?
2 seconds pa.
Okay.
Solid, solid.
Mabuti na lang daw nakita ako dahil may gusto siyang sabihin sa akin at iyon ay... Tina! Up, down! Up, down! Up, down! Up, down! Up, down! Up, down!
Sorry!
Sakto-sakto. Salamat sa iyo, Kim Jones. Enough down mo ang aking mundo.
Nalala mo pa?
Biyaya, isa kang biyaya.
Si Stel yung pins ko. Sasaktan ko si Stel. Tingnan mo na lang kung paano ko gagawin.
Mga utang. Utang ni John. 100.
Alam ko pala. Ano? Hindi ko nakita.
Oy!